This is our 2015 15-plate Mini F56 2-litre Cooper S. So it's a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. It's finished in a Thunder Grey and it's got the Chilli pack and the JCW Sport pack. So it comes with the daytime running lights, the John Cooper Works body kit. It's got the gloss black JCW alloy wheels. Inside it comes with a piano black interior trim, electric windows and wing mirrors. Chilli pack models come with the auto lights, auto wipers, and it has a John Cooper Works leather multifunction steering wheel with telephone, audio controls, cruise control. It's covered just over 64,000 miles. It's also got the Visual Boost audio upgrade. Chilli pack models have the dual zone climate control. It's got the USB and auxiliary input for music, the red detailing on the gear stick. It's got the mini driving modes, again part of the Chilli pack, and the controller for the media. Chilli pack models have the half leather sport seats. And as you can see from these images, the car is exceptionally clean inside. There's no rips or tears to the upholstery. There's no signs of any smoking in the car. The alloy wheels are all in great condition. There's no scuffs or scrapes. Same applies to the rear bumper. And the Chilli pack models have the storage compartment pack. It's got the original parcel shelf. With the JCW pack you get the anthracite roof lining. It's got the black grab handle, JCW rear bumper, darkened rear glass, JCW roof spoiler. Tyres are cut on the car, all good. There's a few just over 3mm and another pair at 7mm. It's got the JCW door finishes. Again, the storage compartment pack, the piano black interior trim. Chilli pack models have the height adjustable passenger seat too. Black roof and mirror caps, clear indicator lenses. The car's in great condition. It's got a full service history, some with Mini, some with us. It's a car we know well, having sold it to the previous owner. Comes with an MOT that runs through till March 22 with no advisories. If you click on the link at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website for further information. You can see here the Mini service records plus services that we've done. So the next engine oil service is now due March 22 or 9,000 miles. The next MOT is due March 22. The next emissions check with the MOT is again March 22. The next vehicle check service is due March 22 or 9,000 miles. And the brake fluid service is due October 22.